Hey, what up? It's your boy Maxi, and today I'm in this wonderful showroom, and my choice would be my Angel 这个 because 我觉得我自己的床太软了 I want something more hard. You know, every day I would do so much exercise workout. Sometimes 睡一根软的床啊 you know, you can get a lot of backaches 这些 and this is what I want to avoid. So this, I'm choosing something hard, something that really supports my back, give me a good night rest. So the next day 我去做工的时候可以 you know 有很好的精神. So my choice, my Angel.
Hi guys, my name is Noah, and for my selection, I'm choosing this bed called My Honey. So this bed, it really hugs you to sleep, right? So if you're like me, you're quite lonely, right? You need someone to hug you to sleep. So you don't have a physical person to hug you, you get a bed to hug you. Okay, so this is my choice, My Honey.
Okay, hello. Hi everybody, my name is Charlie, and today I just tested out this bed called My Dream. It's king size, it's very big. Not that I need something so big lah, but my choice would be My Dream is because usually I like hard beds, but this one's a bit soft. But reason why I picked this one is because, you know, when I sleep, right, I don't like when somebody comes onto the bed. I don't want to feel like there's something moving on the bed. So I asked Noah to jump on the bed just now, and I completely don't feel it. So I really like this. You're soaked into it, you know, like it's cushioned into it, and it might actually give you a good dream. So yeah, my choice, My Dream.
I think what I like about this whole series is that, you know, whatever your budget, there is a bed that suits you.
是，
对，
因为有适合你的价钱跟那个床褥。
对，
这个呢是什么？
这个是买后，然后就是试了这边所有的床呢，我觉得这个是我最喜欢的选择。
这个也是我最喜欢的选择。怎么你的选择一直都是跟我一样的？
刚刚好 ，just right。可能是因为到了一定的年龄。
话不多说，我们躺给你看 ，Let's go。
My present, treasure your dream.